I think. Complete file.
Yes, yes, sir. I went through the files, sir, but I couldn't track it.
Yeah, right. Do you remember about L hospital rule?
No, sir. We didn't talk.
Yeah. L hospital.
No.
Is that file understandable? Points in it?
Yes, sir. Here and there, I was
Yeah.
trying.
Once Newton said, Newton's famous quote about knowledge. Do you know it? Once Newton's famous quote is, knowledge is diamonds in the sea. In my lifetime, I could collect only few sand grains in the beach. So same as the knowledge of mathematics, it is an ocean. In our life, we should gain as much as possible. All right. See, once read this question.
Limit x tends to 7x square minus 11x minus 6 over 3x square minus x minus 10 equals.
Yeah. Do you remember last time we did one sum about the box maximum area, minimum area, like that?
Yes.
Is it from your board's curriculum syllabus?
Yes, sir.
Such questions can be solved by the concepts of pre-calculus, that is differentiation. Okay. Let us slowly you will learn calculus. The first point is limits only. The first concept is limits. You know, we did the same question previously. There are two methods. One method is straightforward method. Another method is L hospital rule or L'Hopital rule. You know, factorization, I think you
Yes.
factorize very easily. How to factorize a numerator? That is 7x square. I told you, I gave you a roadmap.
Yes, sir. Step 1, step.
The limit of a function, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Step is putting x is equal to 2.
2.
If we get 0 by 0, if we get 0 by 0, we get back.
Yes, sir.
Another way.
Yes, sir.
To solve it. If we don't get 0 by 0 form, we can go ahead.
Go ahead.
Okay. What happens if we put x is equal to
7 times 4 minus 22 minus 6, that's 28 minus 0. So the numerator is 0.
very good. Then, you know, if the numerator is not, if the numerator is 0 and the denominator is not equal to 0, there's no problem. Only 0 by 0 is indeterminate form.
So even the denominator is 0.
Yeah, that's why we should get back. Yeah, let me give you one main point. 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. It is indeterminate form. You cannot determine.
Yes, sir.
But 0 by 1 is 0.
Yes, sir.
So 0 by 1 is not indeterminate form. 1 by
Yes.
0 is, or something by 0 is infinity.
Yes, sir.
These 3 points are very important. We should get back whenever we get 0 by 0.
Yes, sir.
We cannot go forward.
Yes, sir.
But 0 by 1 is simply 0. It is an
Yes.
concept. But 1 by 0 is infinity.
Fine.
Yes, we can write infinity. If we get something by 0, not only 1 by 0, if we get something by 0, we just write infinity. That's it. The solution is completed. Right? Okay. See now. So we are getting 0 by 0 form. So we should not go forward. We should get back. Right?
Yes, sir.
I gave you one roadmap to solve such problems. If you get 0 by 0, get back and choose the ways. One method is formula. Formula or factorization or rationalization or
Station or L'Hospital.
L'Hospital. Formula. There is no formula for this type of functions. Next, factorization. Factorization works out.
Yes, sir.
Let's factorize.
So the first one is x minus 2 times
Very
7x.
good. That's right. This is limit x tends to
X tends to equals 7x, x minus 2 times 7x plus 3
very good. 7x plus 3
over x minus 2 times 3x plus 5.
3x plus 5. What happens now?
X minus 2 gets cancelled.
X minus 2 get cancelled. Yeah. Now try again to put x is equal to 0. Plug in x is
Equals 2.
sometimes
X-
even after that stage, we may get 0 by 0. Then also we choose for the ways. Check.
Yes, sir. So 17 by 11.
17 by
11. Option
clearly
1.
it is not 0 by 0. It's not 0 by 0 form. So we
Yes.
can go forward.
Yes, sir.
And the answer is 17 by 11 itself. Option 1.
Option 1, sir.
It is the one method. That is straightforward method to solve this type of questions, right?
Yes.
Now we are learning another method. That is the most popular and the most controversial method.
L'Hospital.
Yes, it's the most popular in the chapter formula in the chapter of L'Hospital rule, and it is also most controversial in the field of in the world of mathematics. I will tell about that controversial. But before that, let me remind you the basic derivatives. What is derivative of x cube?
3x squared.
Very good. In board exams, if we use that method in Telugu states,
It is wrong, sir.
is wrong. But if we use in other states, it is correct.
Okay.
Because Telugu state boards doesn't accept it as a formula.
Oh.
It is just a shortcut. While CPSE board and ICSE board accepted it as a formula. Derivative of x square 2x. But it is used in objective exams, objective questions. Because objective questions don't need description.
Yes.
We need only answer. Yeah, tell what is derivative of x? Do you remember it?
1.
Just 1, very good. Derivative of any constant?
0.
Very good. Derivative of any constant 0. And what is the derivative of 2x? 2.
Three.
Since derivative of x is equal to 1, so derivative of 2x is 2.
2.
Derivative of 3x,
3, sir.
derivative of 9x,
9, sir.
yeah. And derivative of x cube is 3x square, you know.
Yes, sir.
What is the derivative of 4x cube? 4 into 3x square.
Yes, sir. That's 12x square?
Yes, 12x square.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
First of all, it is in the form of 0 by 0 form. Keep this point in your mind that whenever the given function is in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, then only we should use L'Hospital rule.
Yes, sir.
This L'Hospital rule is used only when the given function is in the form of either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. Otherwise, it shouldn't be used.
Yes, sir.
It's the main alert.
Yes, sir.
First of all, it should be in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Then only L'Hospital rule is used. Otherwise, this formula shouldn't be used. If you use, even if it is not in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity, okay, we arrived with the wrong answer. Yeah, since the given function is in the form of 0 by 0, we can use L'Hospital rule. Okay, L'Hospital rule is very simple. That is derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Simply derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. Tell what is derivative of 7x square? As we did here.
14x. Sir.
14?
14x.
That's good. Next.
Minus 11.
Very good. Whole by?
Minus 6.
Yeah,
Oh.
minus 6, 0.
Oh, yes.
6 is a
Whole
constant. Whole
by 6x square.
6x. Derivative of x square is 2x.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
It is 6x.
6x.
Okay. Minus?
Minus 1.
Very good. After that?
Commons.
10, 0. Derivative of 10, 0. Yeah. Now we can plug in x is equal to. Because it is not in the form of 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity. Yeah, plug in.
It's a negative 3 over 11.
How? We are plugging 2. X is equal to 14 2s are
8 minus 11.
No, why 8?
Oh, sorry, 14. I thought it was 4.
Yeah, you can write on the screen.
Yes. Oh, 1 second. Fourteen times 2 minus 11 over 6 times 2 minus 1 that equals 28 minus 11 over 12 minus 1. Yes.
It is
17 over 11.
That's it. Got the difference between using L'Hospital rule and
Yes.
not using L'Hospital rule?
Yes.
Yeah. I'm giving you one more sum. Try this.
So x square is 2x.
X square minus 5x plus 6.
Yes. So
Over
it will
x.
be, so the derivative of x square is 2x, no?
Yes, very good. First of all, check, is it in the form of 0 by 0 or not? If it is not in the form of 0 by 0, we can't use L'Hospital rule.
Yes, so it's 0 by 0.
Yeah, so we should use
L'Hospital rule. So it's going to be 2x minus 5
very good.
by,
That's good. That's it.
by 1 minus 2. Negative 1 over. So for 2x, can I just say the answer it to be 2 because x equals 1?
No, x is equal to. We should substitute x is equal to x tends to 2.
2 times 2 minus 5. So option 3, negative 5.
Negative 5?
Yes, sir.
How?
I can do it on. The derivative of x square is 2x. And the derivative of x equals 1. So it's going to be 5 over 1 minus 2. That's going to be 2 times 2.
No. Why it is 1 minus 2? You didn't differentiate the denominator. Derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator. What is derivative of denominator?
It's 1 minus 2, no, sir.
See, limit x tends to 2. Derivative of numerator is 2x minus 5.
Yes, sir.
By derivative of x is
1.
1 minus derivative of 2 is
0, sir.
0. That's why denominator is 1 only.
Then it's going to be 2 times 2 minus 5 by 1. Why did I put 10?
Sorry, I didn't. Options wrong from my side. Options are 5, not 5 minus 5. Yeah.
Option 3 is negative 1.
Negative 1.
Yes.
How? Do the
2
calculation part here.
2 times 2 minus 5 over
Okay.
1. That's 4 minus 5 over 1. That equals negative 1.
Yeah, very good, very good. That's it. Option?
Option 1, 3, sir.
That's good, right. Limit x tends to 2. X square minus 5x plus 6 by x plus 2, right?
Yes, sir.
It's another problem. Are we getting 0 by 0 form?
4. Yes.
First
No,
of all, do the easiest calculation. Denominator is easy to verify.
Yeah.
Putting x is equal to.
Yes, sir. It
What
will be
happens? 0 by 4.
Yes, sir.
As I told, 0 by 4 is no problem. There is
It
no
will be
problem with 0 by something.
Yes, sir. The answer is
So
0.
its answer is
0.
2 square. We can go forward because it is not in the 0 by 0 form.
Yes, sir. Minus 10 plus 6.
Yeah. 2 plus 2. Right?
Yes.
But if we try to use L-Hospital rules, rule, even if it is not in the form of 0 by 0, we arrive at a wrong answer. The actual answer is 0 correct answer.
Yes, sir.
But the caution is, don't use L-Hospital rule if it is not in the form of 0 by 0.
Yes, sir.
Since it is not in the form of 0 by 0, if we use L-Hospital rule even this stage, what happens? See, limit x tends to 2. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 5x is 5. By derivative of x is 1.
Yes.
2 times 2 minus 5. It is a wrong answer.
Oh, yes, sir.
So, do you understand the difference between 0 by 0 form, when to use L-Hospital rule and when we don't use L-Hospital rule?
Yes, sir.
Got it? Right. Previously, we did this sum. It is very popular sum in limit concepts. Limit x tends to 2. X square minus 4 whole over x minus 2. You know, it can be done in 2 ways, in 3 ways. It can be done in formula method.
Yes, sir. It's easy with formula method.
Yes,
The
yes.
answer will be x plus 2.
Formula method, factorization, and also L-Hospital rule. This sum can be solved by using all the 3 methods. See, first method. First of all, it is in the form of 0 by 0. It's very clear. It's very clear that this function is in the form of 0 by 0. So we should get back. After getting back, you are searching for the ways. The first one is formula. Formula is like this. There is a formula to solve this sum. Limit x tends to a, x to the power of n minus a to the power of n by x minus a. Its formula n into a to the power of n minus 1.
N minus 1.
So first we are using formula method.
2 into.
Yeah, the given function, the given question is, or the given problem is, limit x tends to 2, x square minus 2 square by x minus 2. Now it is exactly in the form of limit x tends to a, x power n minus a power n by x minus a, right?
Yes, sir.
What is n here? What is a here?
So the square 2 is the n and the
Yes, very
base.
good. It is n, right? What is a?
The base 2. Sir.
Yeah, base 2 is 2. A, right. The formula is n a to the power of n minus 1. 2 into 2 to the power of 2 minus 1. Yeah, there is a caution to solve such problems in arithmetic. That is, don't multiply even before finding its power.
Yes.
See, 2 times 3 square. It is not equal to 36. 2 3 are 6, 6 square 36, wrong. But 2 into 9, 18 is correct answer.
Yes, sir.
That's why, first of all, find its value. 2 power 2 minus 1.
2 to the
Or
power
1.
1.
That is equal to 2 times 2 is equal to 4.
Yes.
In the formula method, we got answer 4. Next, factorization method. We can solve this question in factorization method also. See, limit extends to 2. Okay. X square minus 4 square means x square minus 2 square by x minus 2.
Yes, sir. A minus B square.
A square minus b square.
X minus 2 times x plus 2 over x minus 2.
X minus 2 times x plus 2 over x minus 2. Now, what happens?
X minus 2 gets cancelled.
X is equal to?
So 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Yeah, same answer. Now, we are using which method? L'Hospital rule. Same question. Three methods. It is L'Hospital rule. Yeah. That is derivative of numerator by derivative of denominator, right?
Yes, sir.
First of all, check, is it in the form of 0 by 0?
Yes, sir. 2 minus
So
2.
we can use L'Hospital rule. Yeah, tell what is the derivative of numerator?
2x.
2x minus 0. By derivative of denominator?
1.
1. What happens when we put, that means when we plug in x is equal to, right now?
2 times 2 equals 4.
See, same answer, 4, 4, 4.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Right. I think I gave some questions as a homework to you previously.
No, sir.
No, just I send you the file only.
Yes, sir.
Which file?
Sir, from tomorrow, can we do more on domain and range?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, meanwhile, have a look at that file.
Function.
Functions
Yes, sir.
file. Yeah, it is everything up to IIT. Up to IIT level, every point is there. We choose the required points in it, right? Tomorrow concept is domain and range. Yeah, sure.
So, like, if the example questions are like 1
Yeah.
over x square minus 2x plus 6 or something, and they're asking me to find the range. So,
Yeah. Tell. Right on this.
1. Okay.
Range or domain?
Domain, sir. They're asking me to find the domain for the type of. Let's just put that as x.
Now, it's not. It is sample question. Same question.
So I just came up with it, sir. I don't know if that question's actually there.
Yeah. Right, 1 by x square minus 5x plus 6.
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
There is an ATM machine. If we put Visa card or MasterCard in it, it gives money,
Yes.
cash. It is input,
It's output.
output, right?
Yes.
If we insert Visa card or MasterCard, whatever, the suitable, the correct card, it gives cash.
Yes.
It is input, it is output. It is output. In the language of mathematics, it is domain. It is range. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What happens if we put Aadhaar card in it? You know what is Aadhaar card?
Yes, sir.
You know how? Is there Aadhaar card there also?
No, sir. I have one from India.
Yeah. If we put Aadhaar card in it, what happens?
It
Does it
said
give cash?
decline, sir. No, sir.
Rejects.
Yes, sir.
After a while, it rejects. The card is not some correct, something like this. That means Aadhaar card is not in its domain. We can't insert Aadhaar card. We can't insert ration card.
Yes, sir.
We can't insert ID card.
Yes, sir.
We can't insert voter ID. I think, do you have vote there? Vote in states?
I don't know, sir.
You have vote? Have you ever?
Me, sir?
Okay, yeah, your age is not sufficient, I think. Your parents has vote in states?
I don't know, sir. Maybe the immigrant section, I don't know. They can do
Okay,
it.
yes. So if we put the water card, if we insert a water card, it rejects.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't take even. So that means Aadhaar card is not in its domain. Water card is not in its domain. Ration card is not in its domain. Aadhaar card is not in its domain. PAN card is not in its domain. So have you got the basic idea about domain?
Yes, sir.
Input, it is nothing but in a colloquial language or in general language, so domain is nothing but its inputs. Some are accepted, some are not accepted. Just to find the domain means what are accepted, what are not accepted. That's it only. Domain of a function is nothing but which values of x are accepted, which values of x are not accepted. There are cases arise, some values of x are not accepted. What's the reason for not accepting any value of x? Yes, that is
Not in a domain.
Yeah, not in the domain. That means, see one point, the square root of any negative value is not real.
Yes, sir.
And logarithms, we need to discuss more about logarithms. Log of negative. And log of 0, not defined.
Yes, sir. Gives an error.
Undefined. Next, something by 0. You know, something by 0.
Undefined.
In calculus, in limits is accepted. I remembered, I told you, only 0 by 0 is not accepted. 0 by
Yes.
something is accepted and something by 0 is accepted. I told its values also.
Yes,
In
sir.
calculus, it is okay. That means in limits. In limits, it
Yes.
is okay. In limits, it is accepted. But in algebra, it is not accepted.
Yes, sir.
It is not defined. By using these 3 points, we can find the domain of a function. For example, if f of x is given as the square root of x minus 7, okay, and asked for the domain of that function, right? It is root x is root of x, f of x root of x minus 7, right?
Yes, sir.
What's the value of f of 1? What happens when we put x is equal to 1?
Root 1 minus 7, that's
Is it
negative.
positive or negative?
No, it's negative 6.
Negative 6. So what's the first point in the notes?
Negative, root negative is not a real number.
Not real number. So f of 1 is 1 is accepted or not? This
No,
function
sir.
accepts 1 or not?
No, sir.
This function doesn't accept 1 because its output is not real. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Does this function accept 2?
No, sir.
3?
No, sir.
4?
No,
5?
sir. No, sir.
6?
No, sir.
7?
Yes, sir.
Yes, because we know the fact that the root of 0 is okay. 0 is the square root of 0 is equal to 0. It's real. So this function starts accepting the values of x right from
0.
no
Sorry,
right,
7.
right from 7.
7.
This
Yes,
function accepts. Okay.
Yes.
There is a board in restaurants. All cards are accepted.
Oh, yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Every card is accepted for.
That means
But not.
is it accepts ID card?
No, sir.
That means all cards are accepted means all valid cards.
Debit cards are.
That means
Correct.
here f of x accept all x values are accepted, but the valid x the valid values of x are only accepted here.
Yes, sir.
So this function starts accepting the values of x from
7.
7 is accepted.
Yes,
7.1 is also accepted. 7.01 is also accepted. Sorry, 7.01 is accepted. 7.001 is also accepted. 8 is accepted. 9 is accepted. 100 is accepted. 1 crore is accepted. 1 lakh is accepted, right?
Yes.
So when we talk about the list of values that this function accepts, we can't tell or we can't write all the values of x that are accepted in this function. That's why we simply write x greater than or equal to 7. That's it. Because we can't list all the values of x that is accepted in this function, right?
Yes, sir.
So do you know I taught you about intervals?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is this interval? This interval can be written as 7, including 7 to infinity, up to infinity.
Yes, sir.
7 is included. So 7 is accepted. 7 is also accepted.
Yes, sir.
So domain of this function is nothing but closed 7 comma infinity.
Yes, sir.
It is its domain.
Yes.
See, let's talk about this function. What about this function? 1 is accepted for this function?
Square minus 5.
1 is accepted or not?
No. Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, because only something by 0 is not defined.
Yes, it's 2. It is accepted.
Something by 0. Just write, these are golden points. Copy them. Something by 0 is not defined. Is it something by 0 or something by non-zero?
Something by non-zero?
Yeah, so 1 is accepted, okay?
Yes, sir.
Check whether 2 is accepted or not.
Four minus 10 plus 6. No, sir.
2 is not accepted. So 2 is not in its domain.
Yes, sir.
3 is accepted.
No, sir.
3 is not in its domain.
Yes, sir.
4 is accepted.
Yes, sir.
4 is also accepted. So it is very clear that except 2 and 3, everything is accepted.
Yes, sir.
That's why domain of this function is in total real numbers. 2 and 3 are deleted. Domain of this function is R minus set of elements 2 and 3. Right?
Yes, sir.
But how should we know those 2 and 3? How can we find those two values, 2 and 3? Any idea?
So by inserting the values.
Yeah. One method is by using trial and error method, trying 1, trying 2, trying 3, something like that. But the straightforward method is there. That is, let us check factorization. Let us check what happens if x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We are afraid about getting 0 in the denominator. That's why let us solve this equation. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. What is its factorization?
X square minus 6x
X
plus
square minus 6x
plus 1x plus 6.
No, it's not correct. Because, no. See, if we take x common, x times x minus 6 plus 1 common, x plus 6.
Yes, sir.
Both are not same. It is x minus 6, it is x plus 6. We can't take x plus 6 or x minus 6 common. So there is another method in factorization. Factors are minus 6 plus 1, not correct.
Oh, sir, x square minus 3x minus 2x
That's
plus
right.
6.
X square minus 3x minus 2x
plus 6.
plus 6. Take x common.
X minus 3 and then minus 2 common, x minus 3.
X minus 3 common.
X minus 2.
That means
X equals 3 and x equals 2.
But we don't want x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. That means x square minus 5x plus 6 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Not equal to 3. Not equal to.
Yes.
To get non-zero values for x square minus 5x plus 6, the values of x should not be 3 or 2.
Yeah.
That's why domain is R minus set of elements 2 and 3. Okay. Now I am giving this question. Can you clear it?
Oh, yes.
Is it possible right now? Right. Is it blue notes?
Blue colors. Yes.
Yeah, notebook cover is blue.
Yes.
Oh, file. It is file, I think.
No, sir, it's normal
notebook only. Okay, right. I came to know that papers in states are used.
Yes, sir, much more than
environmentally friendly papers.
Yes, sir, we do. Yes.
Yeah, because I saw in, some books from America. written in the starting. This papers of this book are made environmentally friendly. Something recycled papers only. We used. We didn't. We are not causing the cutting of trees. Something like this. Find the domain of do it.
So domain is equals all real numbers minus
R minus.
6 and 1, sir. Flower brackets.
Yeah, that's good. Correct only.
Minus 6, comma 1.
That's right. 1 by x square minus 7x plus 12.
One by x square minus 7x plus 12. So domain equals r minus square 4, comma 2. So that's the answer.
Yeah, very good. So I think without telling anything, you can answer this question.
Yes.
Even if I didn't explain that method, what's the domain of 1 by x minus 9?
Sir, all real numbers except for 9.
Except 9. So domain is equal
R minus excluding 9.
r minus singleton 9.
Yes, sir.
What's the domain of 1 by x?
All real numbers except for 0.
Yes, all real numbers except 0.
So R minus excluding 0, sir.
Right. Domain is r minus excluding 0. Next, 1 by x minus 1 times, x minus 2 times, x minus 3.
Sir, all real numbers except for 1, 2, and 3.
Very good, very good. Okay. Let me show you the points there. It is functions, I think.
Yes, sir.
Is it from the beginning? Yeah, it's from beginning. Functions is a huge subject. Do you have even function and odd function concept?
No, sir. Even and all, I never
Even
heard
function,
about
odd function are there.
No, sir. Never heard about it.
Implicit function. Yeah, you will be learning. Linear function, explicit function, odd function. And also about domain and range. See, can you see to find range?
Yes.
Yeah, you asked about the range of this type of functions once.
Yes.
Range of domain. Yeah, these are about domains. You see, do you remember this method? What we have learned is just similar to it. R minus
Yes, sir. R minus in
an interval. It is an interval. Periodic functions and domain. See, domain of the functions. I think you can solve this sum. 16 sum.
yeah. Yes.
But keep in our mind that you can ignore the numerator.
Oh, yes, sir.
If there is 1 or 2 or what or something, we are not, we don't care.
Yes, sir.
Only take denominator part only. I think you can answer this question directly.
X square minus 3x plus 2. So all real numbers except for positive 3 and negative 2.
Yeah. So which option is correct?
Option 3, sir.
No. All options seems to be same.
Oh, yes.
But there is a slight difference between each option.
So it's option 1 second. It's option 1, sir.
Yes. What's the difference between option 1 and option 2?
Sir, the negative 3 and the signs for the numbers, sir.
Yeah, and negative and 3 and 4 are intervals. Those are intervals.
Yes, sir.
So here option
1, sir.
Yeah. Let us see how did they solve this sum. These are answers. You told option 1 or option 2?
Option 16th question, sir.
16. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, 16th question is option 1 correct only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is hint for this question?
The denominator is not equal to
Yeah.
0.
Got it? It is just
Oh,
hint,
yes,
not
sir.
solution.
Yes,
It is hint to solve that question.
the 16th question.
Yeah, solve 14th question.
So it's option 1, sir.
Option 1.
Yes, sir.
Right. Very good. Very good. See, same hint.
So in the MCQs, like in the options for the 14th question, there's only one R minus one.
Yeah, yeah. That's why. Okay. We can opt. We can choose option 1 without solving. Very good.
Yes.
That's right. Have you ever come across trigonometry in our board syllabus?
Yes, sir. For a period,
Trigonometry.
short period of time. Yes,
Which
sir.
words? Sin theta, cos theta.
And tan theta. Only those three, sir.
When did the trigonometry started actually?
So it came last year, sir, for a week or something, and they left the chapter.
Only basics are taught.
Yes, sir. Only those three: sine, cos, and tan.
Okay. Yeah. Just go through the notes of this chapter. It will be very
Yes.
useful. But
Yes.
read only understandable points
Yes, sir.
from the definition. Okay. Right. Okay. We will have class almost as usual same time. Actually, I started to go to. I started for Hyderabad yesterday, but I didn't go.
Oh.
See, tomorrow class is as usual. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See you tomorrow. Bye, Tanika.
Yes.
Good night.
Thank you. Have a good day, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.